Hi, I'm Ray Kamak.
Hi, I'm Carol Kamak.
This house was built in '84 and we had originally a cedar shake roof and it was time for replacement. So we talked to Guardian, we talked to 3 different people. And Matt came over personally and bought samples and went through the whole process and costs and all those types of things. And he was very courteous, very professional. And so we went with them. Yeah, we signed up for Guardian maintenance and it just seemed like the logical thing to do. And all the guys, I mean, what I'm most impressed about is all the technicians, just call them technicians. They're so professional, they're so courteous. They tell us what they're doing, when they do it, and which is one of the most amazing thing I've seen is that there's a lot of stuff on the roof. And when they're done, I mean, I can see them blowing stuff off and just coming down in tons and tons of needles and pine cones and stuff. And then when they're gone, you can't even tell they were here. It's amazing.
It's interesting. I mean, it's really appreciative to have them take as much care and concern as we do. And that's important to us because that's, to me, showing that they really care about their job and what, how we feel they're doing as far as maintaining the roof and other services. So
Very much so. I mean, it looks great. The maintenance versus what we had before in terms of the cedar shake is we used to get moss, and of course it was aging and cracking and all that. With the, I guess it's asphalt-based shingles, it looks good.
I would totally recommend Guardian to anyone, my family, my neighbors,